Okay, so this is our project table 28 by Srihari and Kiruba. So we made a PWM motor driver with some features which we will demonstrate now. Okay, so the first thing that we can do is we can supply direct control through this switch. So as we press the switch, the signal goes on. Okay, now the next thing we can do is enable a PWM. We can rotate a potentiometer to control the duty cycle. So as you can see, the duty cycle is increasing as we decrease the resistance. Okay, so now we can also use inversion. So we have a switch that will switch the mechanical switches and allow us to do inversion. Okay, and we also have another functionality which allows us. Okay, this is another case of inversion. So this is inversion with PWM. As you can see, the waveform is getting inverted. And now we also have a monostable multi-vibrator which turns on the motor for an amount of time that you can fix by varying the potentiometer. So, okay, so this is, if we just give a pulse, we have a differentiator, pulse detector, which allows us to have an edge triggered circuit that holds the motor on for some amount of time. So just pulse it and let go of the switch. Let's go of the switch and we still have, you can see, the motor running. Okay, so now we'll show it with inversion. So press the switch and now we can also invert it. So you can see that it goes down. For the duration that we have fixed, we can also use inversion. So yeah, that was the demonstration of our circuit. Okay, now we are going to run the circuit along with the motor just to see the shaft rotation. Okay, so we have switched it onto direct control mode. So this is the modulator signal. So now we're going to use PWM and now we can do speed control with PWM. So now let me just increase the duty cycle and now we can see the speed is running faster. Now if I decrease the duty cycle, it runs slow. Okay. Now we can use the monostable. Okay, now we'll do direct control with inversion. Okay. Next we'll use the monostable.
Not monostable, inversion PWM.
Okay. Yeah, we'll show the PWM inversion right now. So right now it's running at a slow speed and we can invert it. So we can see the inversion of the direction of rotation of the shaft. Now we'll show the action of the monostable. So he presses it and it runs for a specific amount of time. And we can also use inversion. So we can see the motor is turning. So press it again. Yeah, and we can see that the motor spins in the opposite direction. Yeah, so that was our demonstration with the motor.